Good morning and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. I'm going to give you a little bit of history today. Back in the 2009 era, 2008, 2010, somewhere thereabouts, Cabela's invented a BristleComb Lodge log cabin, and they actually hired Forest River to build it for them. The idea was Cabela's was going to sell these log cabin models to the public. Well, it went on for a while, but they decided to end their partnership and then the BristleComb Lodge floor plan was available to dealers such as myself to sell to the public. So this is a CBT39ND. It's unit number 8721, and it's a beautiful RVIA certified log cabin park model. So I'm going to take you in. It's got plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor. I'll show you the plank flooring. Nice wood grain flooring. There's our feature wall along with our fireplace. And then you have an upstairs loft. Pretty big one, I might add. This is what's termed a centered loft. So you've got, about a 16, 18 foot section here of loft. There's a TV place up there and a small cabinet, but mostly lofts get used for storage, kids, grandkids, and sleeping quarters. So it has a sleeper sofa, so whatever you can put in the loft, however many you can put on the sleeper sofa, and then you have two in the master bedroom. Heading back through the trailer, we're going to check out the kitchen area. It's really a nice functional kitchen. It's got a 30-inch range, a 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink with a single lever faucet, a 18.5 cubic foot fridge, and it actually has an awful lot of cabinets with adjustable shelving, I might add, so you can adjust the shelving to where you need it. Got some more adjustable shelving there. The wall paneling and the ceiling in here is all cedar panels. Up there you got the car siding, and man, does that look cool. It is just a very nice ceiling touch. So anyhow, we're still walking on linoleum, heading through the kitchen. We've got the house type rear entry door, and then next doorway here will be the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. Got a nice linen closet back here, big linen closet. Plenty of room in the upper and lower. You've got a tub, fiberglass shower surround. You've got the great big medicine cabinet and vanity. It's actually a pretty nice big corner deal here. Got drawers, full extension, ball bearing drawer guides, exhaust fan. So now, I suppose we better look at the master bedroom. It's got a nice tall ceiling. Oops, hit that with my elbow. With, what did we do here? Flipped our camera. Sorry about that. I was not paying attention well enough, evidently. Anyhow, there's the wardrobe, and there's lights in the closets. You do have closet lights. There's one of the outside lights. Again, you've got your full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Another nice feature of all the Forest River Park models, the electrical panel is centrally located behind the mirror, and all the breakers are clearly marked as to what they belong to. Instead of having a swinging door, they have a sliding door. That saves a little space in here. You can actually walk around the queen bed here. I always get asked this question, is there room for a king? By all means, there's room for a king. If you don't like a queen, put a king in it. But it comes with the queen. Again, there's your plank wood linoleum, PVC flooring on the entire main floor. That pretty well wraps up our tour here. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, everything in it stays in it. This is my last 2019, so we got special pricing on it. The last one I spec'd out was $84,000, and this one's thousands less than that. So if you have use for a log cabin and you want a good price on it, give me a holler. This is a nice one. Probably is no nicer one in the United States. Everything in it stays in it. All the decorations go. It's looking for a new home. 6-foot patio entry door. Vinyl thermal panes all around. Cedar siding. That is real cedar. Has been stained one time when it was built and another time by me this past summer. Put a nice coat of stain on it to make it look really sharp. We've sold a lot of log cabins over the years, and again, this is what Cabela's used to sell. It was called the BristleComb Lodge Log Cabin. It is a Forest River cabin, model CBT39ND. Thanks for watching. Catch you on one of my next 20 videos. Have a good day. Bye.